In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process a partial refund for your eBay sales, and we'll walk through each step with ease and thoroughness. Whether you're handling a return or addressing a customer's concern, knowing how to issue a partial refund can be a crucial part of maintaining outstanding customer service. First things first, make sure you're logged into your eBay seller account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your sold items section. This is where you'll find all the items that you've successfully sold on the platform. It's like your personal sales ledger, keeping all transactions organized and easily accessible. Scroll through the list until you find the order for which you want to issue a refund. Once you've located it, click on it to access more details. From here, you'll see an option that says Send Refund. Clicking this initiates the refund process. Now it's time to focus on issuing a partial refund. Doing this means you're giving back only a portion of the amount paid by the buyer, as opposed to a full refund. Partial refunds are typically used to address minor issues that don't require a full return. It might be a slight defect or a small mistake in the order. Click on Partial Refund. You'll be prompted to enter the refund amount. Here, it's essential to decide precisely how much of a refund you intend to issue. Take into consideration the buyer's concerns, any return policies you have, and the overall value of the item in question. After determining the appropriate refund amount, enter it in the designated field. Make sure you're confident with the amount, as it reflects your commitment to resolving any customer dissatisfaction fairly. Once you've input the number, proceed by clicking Submit Refund. Submitting the refund confirms your decision and processes the return of funds to the buyer's account, but you're not quite finished yet. Communication is an important part of maintaining excellent customer service throughout this process. Thus, you'll want to notify the buyer about the refund. This notification not only reassures them that their issue is being handled, but also encourages a positive relationship moving forward. You can send a message directly through eBay, ensuring that the buyer fully understands why and how much of a refund they're receiving. And there you have it, a seamless guide to issuing a partial refund on eBay. Taking these steps not only ensures a smooth transaction, but also shows your commitment to customer satisfaction. It's all about building trust and ensuring a positive shopping experience, even when things don't go perfectly the first time. Thank you for joining us, and if you have any further questions or need more clarification, feel free to reach out or drop a comment below. Happy selling, and remember, excellent customer service goes a long way.